Imagine paying $20 just to send $10. That's not the future of money, that's a problem. Crypto sounds exciting until you actually try to use it. You send a transaction and wait. You check the fee and
Oh
freeze.
my
$20 to
God.
send $10. And just like that, the future starts to feel broken. Here is what is really happening. Blockchain like Ethereum will be for security, for decentralization, not for speed. So when more people shows up, everything slow down, fee rise, and people start getting priced out. Think of it like a highway. When few cars are on it, everything moves smoothly. But when millions shows up, traffic lock, movement slow, and the cost to move goes up. So here is the real question. How do you make blockchain faster without making it weaker? That is the real challenge. And that is where a new idea emerged. Not to replace the blockchain, but to unlock it. Layer 2. Layer 1 is the foundation. Bitcoin, Ethereum, secure, permanent, and trusted, but slow under pressure. Layer 2 sit on top. It handles transactions faster, cheaper, then send the final result back to layer 1. Think of layer 1 as the main court of law. Every decision is final. Layer 2, it handles things quickly before the final ruling is recorded. Same system, smarter execution. Here is the part most people missed. Layer 2 is not a new coin. It's the same system, just running faster. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Roll-ups are systems that takes hundreds of individual transactions and combine them into a single batch. Instead of every user paying a full transaction fee, the cost is shared across everyone in the batch. This drastically reduces fees and increases efficiency. State channels allow two or more users to transact directly with each other off the main blockchain. They can send funds back and forth instantly as many times as they want without paying fees each time. Only the final result is recorded on the main blockchain. Sidechains are separate blockchains that runs alongside the main network. They process transactions independently using their own rules and mechanisms, which allow for faster and cheaper activities. They are still connected to the main blockchain but operate with more flexibility. Different approach, same goal, speed, lower cost, scale. Without layer 2, high fees, slow confirmations, limited use. With layer 2, fast transaction, lower cost, real usability. Because without layer 2, crypto doesn't go mainstream. It stays expensive, slow, and limited to few. But this is not risk-free. Bridges can be hacked. Some networks are still controlled. Mistake can cost you funds. Liquidity can be limited. So, don't just move fast. Understand what you are using. This is what changes everything. Not a new coin, not hype, but the missing piece that makes blockchain usable for millions and eventually billions. Think about the last time you stopped a crypto transaction because the fee was too high. That wasn't you, it was the system. Now imagine a system where the problem doesn't exist. Will you use crypto differently? Because that future is already being built. If this video helps you understand layer 2 network, like and subscribe and share with anyone who needs it. This content is for educational purposes only and does not include financial, investment or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks, so always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.